Hi, this is one of the gate problem regarding it's related to hashing unit in data structures. Let us discuss this today. A hash table of length 10. Okay, hash table. The table size is 10. Okay, uses open addressing with the hash function h of k is equal to, this is a hash function, h of k is equal to k mod 10. This is a hash function. And linear probing, this is the collision resolution technique. Okay, this is the collision resolution technique. And after that, after what he has given, after inserting six values, okay, he has inserted the six values. Okay, after inserting six values into an empty hash table. Okay, he is also giving a hint for us that initially the table is empty. Initially the table was empty, sorry, the initially table was empty. Okay, table was empty. What he did, he inserted a six values, okay, to an empty table. Okay, the table is as shown below. This is the table. After inserting the six values, it look like this. Okay, after inserting, see, he's clearly specifying in the question here, after inserting six values into an empty hash table, the table is as shown below. Okay, after inserting six values, initially the table was empty. Okay, that is the thing we have to keep in note. Okay, now let us see, actually it is a linked question. Okay, linked question. This is one of the previous year gate question, linked question. Two questions we have. Okay, first question. First question is, which one of the following choices gives a possible order in which the key values could have inserted in the table? See, they have given some sequence of the order. They have given some order, insertion order of the keys. Okay, they have given four choices. They are asking by following which order, we can insert these keys in such a way that we'll get the same table as we are looking here. Okay, see, this is the same table, we'll get the same table. Okay, let us try to analyze it by taking one option, like taking options. We will analyze whether it is correct or not. See, first option is 46, 42, 34 and 52 and 23 and 33. Okay, they are telling that like hash function is, what is hash function of k is equal to see, let us see what is hash function. See, hash function of k is equal to k mod 10. Okay, this is the hash function. Okay, and collision resolution technique is linear probing. He also told that initially the table was empty. Now see, now we have taken this sequence of keys. Okay, now we will insert these keys into this hash table in this sequence. Now let us see whether the this order, whether if we insert the keys in this order, we will get this table or not. Okay, that's simple thing. Okay, need not to complex the things here. It's a very simple question. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now let us see. Now 46. First key is 46. 46 mod 10. It will it will map to fourth location. Sorry, sixth location. Okay. It will get mapped to sixth location. See. Now 46. See, we have to analyze with the table that he has given. Yeah, 46. Yeah, it is satisfying. Okay, 46 keys, it is going to the same location as as it is given in the question. Okay, now we'll go for the 42. 42 same, we can follow the same procedure. See, we will get a 2 as a reminder. See, 42. See here, it is also matching. 42, 42 here matching in the second location. Here also 42, here also 42. Okay, now 42 also matching. Yeah, we can tick like this. And 34, see, I'll do quickly. Yeah, 34, like 4 is the reminder, like reminder means like this is the location where 34 has been mapped. Okay, now 34 has mapped like this. Okay. Now see, here also 34 has been mapped to fourth location, here also 34 mapped to the fourth location, both are same. Okay, now 34 also got passed. Now fourth one, 52, see 52 mod 10. Now see, what's the like location we need to map for the 52? Second location, see. But in the second location there is already one key accommodated, right? 42. What we need to do, we need to linear probe, we need to do the linear probing. Okay, linear probing means 2 plus attempt number, like this is a first attempt, like zeroth attempt, that's why it is 2 plus 0. Now it is a first attempt, like linear probing of 2 comma 1. What happens? 2 plus 1, it will be 3. Now we have to go for, when we will use the linear probing, whenever we have some collision, whenever we have some collision, to resolve that collision only we will use linear probing, because linear probing is one of the collision resolution techniques. Okay. Now what happens? Now 52, right? Yeah, 52 will go and see. Now what happens? See, 52 here in the table, the question that has given, 52 is mapped to fifth location, but 52 here it mapped to the third location, that's why here it failed. But that's why a cannot be the option. Okay, that's the one conclusion we have made. Now let us go and analyze for the B option. We will do somewhat fast, because same procedure, like we'll follow the same procedure. Okay, what is telling, like okay, now without drawing anything, like we'll analyze like this only. See, 34 for the in the first like first key in the B option is 34. See, 34 mod, see, I'll write here 34 mod 10, it will map to the fourth location. See, yeah, it has mapped here the fourth, in the fourth location. Yeah, that is perfectly correct. And this is got passed. Okay, and the next one is 42 mod 10. Okay, 42 mod 10 will be 2, right? Okay, 42 will get mapped to where? In the second location. Yeah, it is mapped. Yeah, correct, perfect. And next one is 23 mod 10, it will give 3. Okay, here this also satisfying. Okay, 23 got mapped for 3. And next one 23 also got passed. Next one 52. See, 52 mod 10. Okay, what happens, like here we'll get a 2. See, but in the second location you can see here in the second location collision happens, like 42 is already accommodating there, like collision happens, that's why we'll go for the next location. Next location also 23 already got mapped. Okay, and the next location will go 34 already got mapped. Okay, now 52. Yeah, 52 was empty, like initially, like 52 came here. Yeah, that's perfectly correct. 52 will be there. Yeah, it is perfectly correct. Yeah, now 33 mod 10. Yeah, now we'll see, it is third location. Third location, say initially, see, initially only like when we scan 33, only these many elements will be filled, like up to here. Okay, when we scan 33 mod 10, it will be 3. See, it will go to the third location and see, it will go to the third location and see the collision occurs. Okay, it will go to the next location, collision, again collision, it will go to the next collision, it again it's a collision. See, now what happens, it will go to the next location. See, it will in the place of 46, 33 will get stored. Yeah, that's why the the second option is also not the answer. Okay, I feel like you can observe the second option is also not the answer. Now we'll go for, let us go for the third option. Okay, yeah, now let us go for the third option. See, I'm drawing a table here in order to overcome the confusion. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Sorry, yeah, 9 only. Yeah. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 to 9. Yeah. Now we'll go for the third option. In the third option, first key is 46. Same procedure. 46 mod 10. It will map to sixth location. We'll go here and see sixth location. We have to compare with the original table. Yeah, both are matching. Yeah, both are matching. Yeah, 46 is passed. 34. Next one is 34. 34 mod 10. See, the modulus is 4. The remainder is 4. Like 34 will map to the fourth location. After inserting here, we have to check with the original table. Yeah, 34 is mapping. Yeah, both are same. Yeah, next one is 42. Okay, what we will do, 42 mod 10, it is 2. Yeah, 42 also got passed. See, map it to, see, we have to compare with the original table. See, 42 here map it to the second location. Here also 42 got mapped to the second location. Perfectly correct. And the next one is 42 also got passed. Next one is 23. Okay, 23 mod 10. Okay, it's a 3. We will go. There is no collisions here. Collisions are not. See, you have to compare with the original table. Yeah, perfectly correct. 23 also passed. Looks like this is our answer. Let's see. 52 mod 10. See, it will be 2. Okay. Now see what happens. It will go to the second location. Here the collision got occurred. What happens? It will compare with the linear probing. It will like go to the next location. See, 23 also collision occurred, and it will go to the next location. 34 also collision occurred, and it will see in the fifth location it is empty. That's why it will come and it will store here 52. Yeah, see, compare with the original table. Yeah, 52 mapped to fifth location. Here also 52 got mapped to the fifth location, okay, with respect to our sequence. Yeah, and the next one is 33. Yeah, 33. Yeah, I'll do here. 33 modulus 10. It will be 3, right? Modulus is 3 here. Okay, let us go and see what is there in the third location. See, 33 will go and see in the third location. Collision occurred. It will go to the next location. 34. Yeah, still collision. 52 still collision. 46 still collision. 33. Yeah. In the seventh location, there is no collision. It is empty. It is 33. Yeah. See here. Same is like tally with the original table and the table that we have got. Okay, 2 2. Yeah, and 3 3. Yes, perfect. And 34 4. Yeah, perfect. And 52 52. Perfect. And 46 46. Perfect. And 33 33. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, everything all are matching. That's why C is our option. Okay, C is our option. But let us analyze why D is also D is not our option. Okay, see, we got the answer, but let us try to, this is not an exam, as we are practicing. You can see like we'll get a different kind of analysis here. Let us see what is why D is not our option. See, so that you listen as you like you will be used to the procedure, how to do it and everything. That's why that's my intention. I'm doing the D option as a 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, 9. Okay, 6 7 8 to 9. Now see, first key is 42, right? 42 mod 10 is 2. Yeah, both are same. When we compared with the original table, yeah, 42 got mapped to the second location only. Next is 46 mod 10. Okay, 46 mod 10 is 6. Okay, 46 mod 10 is 6. Sixth location will go 46. Yeah, this is also same. Okay, 46 also passed. Next to 33. Okay, let's see 33. 33 mod 10. See, it is mapping to the third location. See, we'll go and store the 33 key in the third location. But when we compare with the original table, see, 33, here it is 23 got mapped, here 33 got mapped. That's why in this, from this problem we'll get a conclusion that in a hash table, like see, order matters here. Like this problem will come to a conclusion that order matters when at all. The order matters in some cases. What are the some cases? Order matters when collision occurred. When collision occurred. See, when there is no collision, order doesn't matter. Say, for example, like if you have, like for example, let me give an example for you. If you have the keys like this, see, I just wanted to have a word, a last word. If you have a keys like this, see, see, 42, 33, and 54, and 65, 76, and 87. If we have a keys like this, see, here there is no possibility of collision. See, collision, there is no possibility of collision, there is no question of collision here, because no key is mapping to no two keys are mapping to the same location. See, 42 will get mapped to the second location, 33 will get mapped to the third location, 54 will get mapped to the fourth location, 65 will get mapped to the fifth location, 76 will get mapped to sixth location, and 87 will get mapped to the seventh location. See, no two keys are fighting for a one slot. That's why here order does not matters. Order doesn't matter here. See, order doesn't matter. That's why any order, how many sequences will possible in this one? Say 1 2 3 4 5 6, right? 6 factorial ways. The number of sequences that are possible with these keys to have to fill the table in the same way is 6 factorial ways. We can have a sequences 6 factorial number of ways. Order doesn't matter here. Order, when order matters, order matters when collision occurred. Order matters when collision occurred. Yeah, this one we have to take care. Yeah. We'll see the next question. Next question is somewhat tricky in the next video. Thank you.